In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a free PDF to Mailchimp subscribers. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to set up a simple email that lets your audience download your PDF with just one click. First, open your Mailchimp account and create a new email campaign, just like you normally would. Go ahead and set your audience, your subject line, and any basic settings you need. Once that's done, move into the content section of the campaign. This is where you design what your subscribers will actually see in their inbox. Inside the email editor, decide where you want to offer your PDF. You can either highlight a piece of text, like "Download your free guide," or you can add a more visual call to action by dragging a button block into your layout. Using a button usually stands out more, but either option will work the same way. If you're using text, highlight the words that should be clickable. If you're using a button, click on it to open the settings. In both cases, you're looking for the link or URL settings panel. By default, Mailchimp usually sets this to a regular web address. You'll see a drop-down labeled Link To. Click that drop-down, and instead of web address, choose the option that says File. As soon as you choose File, Mailchimp will prompt you to either select an existing file from your content studio or upload a new one from your computer. Click the option to upload, then browse your computer for the PDF you want to share. Make sure your PDF is under 10 megabytes because that's the maximum file size Mailchimp allows for this type of upload. If your file is larger, you may want to compress it first. Once you've selected your PDF and the upload finishes, Mailchimp automatically creates a unique URL for that file. You don't need to copy or manage this link manually. Mailchimp handles it behind the scenes. All you have to do is confirm the selection by clicking Insert or Save, depending on what you see in your editor. Now your text or button is connected directly to that PDF. When subscribers open your email and click the link or button, they'll be taken straight to the PDF to view or download it. At this point, you can finish designing the rest of your email, review everything, send a test to yourself to make sure the link works, and then schedule or send your campaign.